Hello friends, this is Manuraj here from Gadget Kada. Today I'm here to show you how to increase the Jio speed. So without further wasting any time, let's get started. So to get started, first of all you have to go to your settings and there you have to go to mobile networks and settings. Then there you have to select the current SIM, that is a Jio, and there you have to select the APNs. So by default the default APN that will be used will be JioNet and the name will be Jio, the APN will be JioNet. And this will be the default configuration. So what you have to do is you will have to make some changes to this default configuration. So I'm not going to make any changes to the default APN. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new APN and give the name as Jio and give the APN name as JioNet. So in the server name you have to give it as www.google.com. Okay, so MCC it should be 405 and the other one MNC should be 862. There is no need to change it. So if the APN protocol is selected as IPv4 or IPv6, you need to change it to both IPv4/IPv6. So the bearer will be unspecified, you have to change it to LTE. Okay, so once all the changes are made, you can click on done. So as you can see here, a new APN is created. So let's run a speed test using the old APN and see the results. So I am fast forwarding it. So the speed is download speed is 2.14 MB per second. So next we can select the new APN which we created. So you can see here, this is a new APN that we have created. Kill all the background apps, then turn on the data again and then run the speed test again. So as you can see here, there is an increase in speed as compared to the older APN. You can definitely try this trick. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.
For more such videos, subscribe to Gadget Kada, press the subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get all our notifications.